Guys, this is Scion XB 2005 and it stinks like really bad. So, and it's got check engine on because of the catalytic converter, because it like smells really bad, so I guess it went bad. And what I want to do is actually I bought a different one that actually fits this vehicle. I got it on eBay and it says like it fits this vehicle, as you can see, 2020. But as you can see, like this should like go in there, right? But as you can see, it doesn't. Okay, but and I don't think it even has to go inside there, so I'm gonna just close this, like weld this, or just put in the bolt. And I'm gonna cut it like right here and probably here, as you can see. And this pipe is actually bigger than this one. I just tested. As you can see, this one is actually well, you see, it's tight here, but it is loose here, so that's pretty good because I can put this inside right on it and weld it. So let's do this. Let's cut it and install this one on top of it, and then weld it in, and then remove those bolts right there and pull out the probably disconnected there too, and pull it out and like weld it like all around, you know. So I got this one for about $67 or $68 on eBay. So, but if I was to buy like the whole thing, it would cost me like $300 something, maybe more. And I also got modified exhaust, so I would still have to like cut it and leave the exhaust. So I'm just gonna try to install this one and see if this actually will do the job, if it's not gonna smell as bad as this one, or maybe this one is responsible for the smell too, but I don't know. It looks like this one is, because there's a sensor before it and the sensor after it, so it should work logically, but we will see. Okay guys, so I just cut it right here so I can put it on, and this is like, I cut it like right next to that thing right there, next to this welding, because you cannot cut the welding. And so I can put this like right here. So what's interesting about this is, look, this is the new one, right? It's full of that stuff in there. Look at the old one. You can see through. There's nothing in there. I'm not even joking. Here. Look. Nothing. It's empty. Empty. I can't believe this. That's why I was thinking so much. Okay guys, so I do not know which way to install it. This way or the other way. I don't think it matters, but I think I'm gonna install it this way so I can like weld this, so I have like excess. So here I can put this on there, okay, same to this one, but it looks like this pipe is bigger, so I cannot fit this on here, so I'm gonna have to like either, it looks like they are same size here, so, but this one's thinner, okay, So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to like cut it here and just weld it like come right next to it or something like that. By the way, this is what I used to cut. Okay, it's designed for metal cutting. Cuts very good. Okay, so while it's still on here, we welded like some of the parts so it would stay in place.
Small ones.
And then we will remove it or drop it down and weld it
So
like
we can
completely.
weld all around.
Okay, so everything is welded. As you can see, everything is installed now. We put a bolt in here and welded as well, as you can see. So we did not remove this sensor. We only disconnected that sensor over there. Right there. And we were like turning the pipe this way and then the other way, and we were able to weld it good. So, and we reset the check engine light. Now it does not come up, so we will give it some time and see if it actually turns on again on the emission stuff. And the smell is not that bad. It does have like some smell to it, but it's not that bad as it was. So guys, I will keep you updated. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.